Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday. I just woke up and made my bed. I decided to work from home today. Normally I go into the office Mondays to Wednesdays because for my job we're required to be in the office 3 times a week, with Tuesdays being our mandatory day. And then the other 2 days we get to pick which days we want to go in. Normally I go Monday to Wednesday, or sometimes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So yeah, I think for this week I'm gonna go do the latter. Yeah, so for this video I'm just going to show you guys my routine when I'm working from home. So I'm gonna go shower and get my workday started. Let's go.
So, showered and ready to start my workday. Let's go.
Alright, so my normal day usually consists of back-to-back meetings, but today isn't too bad because I actually do have a few free blocks in between them, which is great because I'll be able to have time to do the things that I need to do before the end of the day today. On a very loaded day though, I would be double or sometimes even triple book, but whenever that happens, I just reach out to my boss and we just divide and conquer. Send it back to me no later than end of day Wednesday. Is that fair? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Yep. No, I don't have anything else. Okay, thank you. I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright, so that was the end of my third meeting for the day. It is almost noon, so I'm gonna go and grab a quick bite. And if I have time, perhaps I'm gonna go visit the gym. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so it's after 5 p.m., which means my workday is finally over. After this, I'm gonna go visit the gym for a quick workout, and then when I come home, I'm just going to prep my lunches and my clothes for the next 3 days, as I'll be going to the office starting tomorrow, Tuesday, all the way till Thursday. So that's what I'm gonna do when I come home. And then I'm probably just gonna do some editing and maybe watch some YouTube, but mainly I'm just going to relax and get ready for the next day. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me to the gym, and then we'll be back home and do some errands after.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I
Hey guys, just came back from the gym, And I've also prepped all of my office clothes for the next few days. I also prep all of my lunches so I don't have to worry about it in the morning. Next thing for me is I'm gonna go shower and then just relax and maybe do some editing and watch some YouTube. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower. I also already had dinner before coming in here. So now it's time for me to start winding down for the night. I'm probably gonna do some editing or maybe just watch some YouTube videos while I have a drink. But definitely it's going to be a very relaxing night for me to get ready for the next day. It's about, I don't know. I think it's 9:30 p.m. right now, and yeah, I am just going to take a relaxing night.
Okay, Google, turn off all the lights.
Okay, turning 7 lights off.